My name is Misty Cabaniss, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the realtor that Jeeps. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you get up-to-date information on tours for new construction located in Orange counties, Seminole counties, and Lake counties. So covering the Central Florida area. So they have broke ground here on some of the sites off of the lake, and just such a pretty view here of Florida vegetation. You'll get all sorts of wildlife from eagles to gators. Yes, you will see the occasional gator. Just stay away from them and they'll stay away from you.